On this week's What to Sell Online on Amazon in Australia, I'm going to talk about pools, swimming pools. Now, before you get started, first thing I want you to do is to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Every week I give a little video that shows a brilliant product that you can get set up and start selling on Amazon here in Australia. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, do that right now, and let's get into it. All right, so swimming pools in Australia are big business. Indeed, if we take a look at the research, this is from Roy Morgan, big research company, you'll see that in Perth, 18% of all households have a swimming pool. Queensland, 17%. Sydney, 16%. Brisbane, 15%, and on and on and on. In other words, a lot of people have got a swimming pool. Now, if you've got a swimming pool, you will know one of the biggest pains in the arse about owning a swimming pool is the fact that you've got to clean the frigging thing. So I thought, as I was cleaning my pool, that it'd be a good idea to actually go and check out if pool cleaning and pool cleaning supplies was something that I could sell on Amazon. Turns out it's bloody brilliant. Let me show you. So here I am on Amazon Australia. Let's go do some search for pool cleaners. Pool cleaners. Here we go. So plenty of, well, that's not it always amazes me how terrible the search traffic is in Australia. People have just got no idea what they're doing when it comes to selling things on Amazon. My goodness. Anyway, folks in the Aussie online entrepreneurs, however, are kicking ass by doing the right things to sell their products on Amazon. But that's a whole new story. Tell you about that in a second. So, pool cleaners, lots and lots of people buying them on Amazon. And in fact, I'll show you just how many people. Let's go over to my friendly neighborhood Merchant Words and go and take a look at them. So here I am on Merchant Words. I use Merchant Words a heap. I think it's the best research tool for Amazon by a country mile, particularly because it also does all of the data for here in Australia. So let's put in pool cleaner into here, and what this does is it takes all the different searches that are happening on Amazon in different marketplaces, so US, UK, Canada, etc, 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 and lets you see them. Now here over here is Australia. You can see there's 13 different variations. That's what that 13 means. It doesn't mean the number of searches. The number of searches is 26,000 people. Actually, 26,600 people are searching for pool cleaning stuff on Amazon each and every month. Now that is a big opportunity. Let's go check out what the data says on Google and see if there is significant search volume on Google too, because I like to take a broad overview of the marketplace and to make sure that what I'm going to sell on Amazon is actually going to work. This is one of many cool strategies that I show you if you want to come and join the Aussie online entrepreneurs. Link underneath for you to go and check that out. So 26,000 people. Let's go over to Google. So here we are on Google, we're in the keyword planner, and we're going to go for here, get search volume and data trends. Make sure you've set things to Australia so you're not getting inaccurate data. Pool cleaner, if I can spell that, that'd be awesome. It's going to show me the searches now for the last 12 months, the monthly search volume. And clearly summer has got crazy amounts of search volume, almost, I'm going to say an average of 10,000 searches per month during the summer period, which is when you'd expect that to be, of course, but overall still a very good average of 6,600. That's fantastic. So now the question is, given that there are lots of people searching for pool cleaning equipment both on Google and on Amazon.com.au, can we actually make any money selling them? So let's have a quick look at what they're selling for. $124, $119, $119, $600, we'll ignore that, $70, It's 57 bucks, $143. Let's say $189. Our average rough guesstimate price is around about 100 bucks, okay? 100 bucks. So let's go over to Alibaba, and here's one I prepared earlier. So I'm going to just do that search again so you can see it. Alibaba, and now I've come up with pool cleaners in Alibaba. I'm going to check on gold supplier because I want to make sure that I'm going to work with really good quality suppliers on Alibaba, and I'm going to be buying this product from China and then importing it into Australia. So now I've clicked on gold suppliers. Let's have a look. I don't want a robot pool cleaner. I just want a pretty good solid example. Something like that is perfect for me. Pool cleaner, hot selling, yeah. 200 sets minimum order quantity. Well, 200 sets really with negotiation means 100 sets. So you can get yourself 100 sets of those. They're selling at 37 to 42 bucks. Let's say our price is going to be 40 bucks a pop. We're going to sell them on Amazon at 100 bucks, giving us a quick and dirty $60 in profits. Let's go and see if we can find any better deals. You never know. I'm just doing this down and dirty as things are happening. Lots of robot cleaners. Maybe I should have looked at those. That's an interesting one. Here's something interesting. $2 to $4. Holy dooly, but I've got to order 500 of them. Well, I might do my math, and if that makes sense, 500 at $2 is $1,000. So for 1,000 bucks, I can get 500 pieces. Well, that would be a compelling offer for me. Without a shadow of a doubt, I can get 100 here. It doesn't give me a price though. So I'd need to go and look at that. 40 at 200. So I'd need to go and work out my figures. But the base bottom line here is that I can buy them in such a way that I can make a good profit selling them on Amazon. So this is a really, really good product. And the thing that I most like about this product is the fact that once you've actually made the sale of the pool cleaner, then you can make ongoing sales because you've got the pool cleaning supplies, the bleach that you put in the water, depending on what sort of pool you've got, of course, all those little tablets like what we use for our pool. We have these little round kind of tablety things that we put in that keep the water nice and clean, amongst other things that need to be replaced on an ongoing basis for the pool. So I like businesses like that, where you can make a sale once, develop a relationship, and then get to sell them over and over and over again as their needs develop or as they consumables that they're using run out. So if you like the idea of starting your own business on Amazon, perhaps you'd like to sell pool cleaning products, or perhaps you'd like to check out some of the other videos that I've done, be sure to subscribe to my channel to do that, and every week I'll give you a new video all about something cool you can sell online on Amazon that I've researched and looks pretty bloody good to sell. Be sure also, if you're interested in learning how to sell things properly on Amazon, you come and check out the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. As I shoot this, there are over 500 of us crazy mofos in there, all from the ages of 22 to 84, from right across Australia. We even let a couple of pommy gits like me in there. Be sure to check out the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs if you want to learn how to sell things on Amazon properly. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll speak to you next time. Bye.